Sponsors today than yesterday because yesterday was when we asked somebody how was lunch or whatever, for which there's not two very positive answer. They say it was okay. Okay nahi chalega. It doesn't fly. So now today there are more hands, so we see that we've had some discussions with the hotel management, and that has really helped. So I had a heavy lunch too, so I need a coffee after lunch, otherwise I might end up dozing off. So now we have got a bunch of topics to be presented now, all of which are in fact, we have one immediately after this, we have one presentation by Vishal. Prior to that, we are going to have a talk on how to make trading effortless. So, you get what I mean? Okay, so Chandresh Kona is going to talk about it. Over to Chandresh.
I'm audible? Loud and clear? Great. Hello everyone, I hope you enjoy the lunch. And myself, Chandresh Khona. So in 30 seconds, I will give you my intro. So I'm working with Sherkhan since last 10 years. I worked on Trade Tiger, desktop application by Sherkhan, and I was a key member of the Sherkhan app development team. Now I'm leading this Espresso digital platform team, product team, right? So that's about me. And today I'm going to focus on the Espresso website key feature. And in upcoming events, I also going to talk about the Binge desktop-based EXE, the key feature on the desktop-based EXE. So basically, when you trade with Espresso, you have three platforms. You can trade with mobile app, Android and iOS. You have the EXE-based, desktop-based application we call as a Binge. And then myespresso.com is a web portal. So today I'm going to focus on the website, the key feature on the website, and how, as Espresso, as a team, we can make your trading effortless. That's a key session. So before I jump into the key feature, right, how we are approaching this platform development, that's a very, very important thing. What we are doing is, we are actually taking parts in events like Trading Carnival. We are taking feedback from our own customer. We run one program, Voice of the User, where on one Saturday we call our user and we ask them what problem they are facing, what feature they need, and this is how we are actually developing our platform. So let's begin. Yes. So we were at Hyderabad last Trading Carnival, So what happened? We received a lot of feedback. So before I jump to the what we have done, what is the key feature on our website, sorry? Yeah, okay. So what I want to present is, we heard a lot of customer, okay? We taken a feedback from last Trading Carnival, and we try to implement this on our platform. So first talk about that aspect, right? So at Hyderabad, we received feedback adding script in a watch list, 50 is not enough. People wanted 100 script, right? People want to add 100 scripts in one watch list. So we added this particular feature. Then people wanted TradingView Pro broker version to be integrated with the broker terminal, the advanced version what TradingView offer for the broker, and people wanted TradingView Pro on a mobile app as well. So I'm going to talk about TradingView Advanced, how we have make your life very easy with the integration of TradingView Pro. Then DOM trading. Then AMO order. A lot of people wanted future and option order need to be go through via AMO. So when the market is closed, you want to place the order. After market close, so you can place this order now, it's live. This was the much demanded functionality what almost all the big trader, FNO trader has asked us to do, and we implemented on website. It will be implemented by March end, and it's available on the mobile app and the Binge desktop application. So what happened, suppose you want to put 10,000 quantity of Bank Nifty, you can't put it, right, because order will get rejected. So what we done is, you put order 10,000 quantity, no problem. Our system will slice this particular order, will split the orders. So you don't have to worry about, how many time I will punch the order. So your trading will be very, very easy if you are the large quantity player. So this is much demanded feature, and we are live on our platform, right? Now option chain, people wanted option chain with the live Greeks live update on our website platform. And that we have now. I'm going to show that also. We are live on our website. Then mouse trading for the people wanted mouse trading. So what happened? At Trading Carnival on my presentation, I shown one prototype of how mouse trading on a beach desktop we are planning. And after that, we received a lot of feedback. Then we implemented that feedback, and now it's already live on our beach desktop platform. So there are a lot of features. There are other features demanded by the trader, but is coming soon. So people wanted basket order. All the option trader wanted, people who carry forward the option position wanted basket order, but there was a specific requirement. People wanted, when they create the basket, the buy order need to be pushed first. They wanted sequencing of the basket. Suppose you are creating 10 or 5 or 7 orders in a one basket, but what trader has asked us to do, don't push in a 1, 2, 3 order. You push buy order first, and then you push the sell order. Why? They wanted to get the advantage of the margin, right? So we are implemented this. It is not live by I believe by on or before 31st March. It will be live on our platform. Then we are coming up with the OI indicator for intraday chart. Then DP to pledge. Yes. So that was what we received the feedback on a Trading Carnival at Hyderabad, and this is what we delivered, and it is in a pipeline, a few of the features. Now let's talk about on a website, what is the key feature. There are a lot of features, but I'm going to focus on the key feature which make your life little bit easy. Your trading become, we want to make your trading become effortless. So let's start with the watch list. So you can add 100 script. I already talked about that. Right? Now a lot of people wanted, they want to access Nifty and Sensex stock in a 1 click or 2 click, max to max, right? So we come up with the concept called predefined watch list, where you just go and say select Nifty, Bank, Sensex. All the Nifty Sensex stock will be loaded. Then whatever watch list you create on a website, it will be available on a mobile app, it will be available on a Binge desktop application, so it is synchronized across all platforms. Expand and collapse, that I'm going to show you live how this expand and collapse will help you out to, for your trading. Then more data point. We have the dedicated market mover section where you can scan the market. And we have the indices where you can convert these indices into the heat map. So what I'm going to do, this particular functionality I'm going to show live on our website. So can you switch please? Yes. So this is a watch list. Just can you expand the watch list? So if you see, you are the trader, and with the watch list, typically what happens is in industry, you generally see the percentage change and the LTP, right? But what if you want to see open, high, low, close, 52-week high, low, right? And you don't want to waste your space also. So what we created the design where you can, whenever you want to see more data point, you just expand your watch list. Whenever you want to see in collapse mode, you just collapse the watch list. Sachin, can you do this? Then we have the market movers, where you can spend for cash, equity, equity, FNO, you can scan the market using various conditions. Then we have the indices, which you can easily convert to the heat map also. And you can expand also. Just thanks. Yeah. So this is about the watch list section. This is how it looked like. I will switch back to the presentation. Okay, so one more feature I must say, by 31st March, what we are going to do, from watch list, you will able to create the basket order also. So you don't have to go anywhere to create the basket order. Suppose you added all the call option in your watch list. Now in 1 click, 2 click, you want to create the basket from the watch list, you will able to do that. So again, your time and effort will be very, very less, to creating the basket order from the watch list. So this is coming soon, right? Now come to the charting. So what we have done, the integration of the TradingView Pro Broker version. So what we done to reduce your pain area, or I put it in way, how I can make your trading effortless with the charting. So when I talk to the user and I observe a lot of people, what happen, people want to open multiple charts. But when they open multiple charts in a different Chrome tab or the browser tab, what happened? They're not able to track the watch list. That was the biggest area because you can open a lot of charts, but you lose your reports and you lose your watch list. So what we done actually, we created a design where you will able to see the watch list, you will able to see multiple charts together with our chart book functionality. I'm going to show you. Just give me 2 minutes. When I switch to the live website, I will show you how it works. Then we have the DOM trading with the TradingView integration. Then you can do buy sell from the chart. Then advanced indicator we have. Again, whatever layout you save on your web version, you will able to access on your mobile app. So TradingView Pro, we are also going to integrate with the mobile application, and which will have the sync. It will be synced basically with the web. And then, yeah, multiple tab will be available on a mobile app as well. So I'm going to show that. Can you switch, please? Yeah. So this is a watch list and this is a chart, right? Now, what if you want to see multiple chart with your watch list? So what we have done, Sachin, can you switch between the tabs? So we have created the design where you have the multiple charts, but you don't have to go to the different tab browser. You don't have to open outside your main trading portal. And that's the beauty. It will save a lot of time for you, a lot of effort for you. So now what if you might say, okay, I just want to focus on chart. Right now I don't want to view my watch list. So what will happen? You can just collapse your watch list. Okay. What will happen? Chart will be available in full screen with the tab view. And in this tab view, you can have the multiple chart layout also. So the beauty is, with one tab, with one Chrome tab, you can access to the multiple chart together and with the multiple view. And it will save your time in coming back file, placing the order, to view the watch list, to view the report. You don't have to come back to the main screen. In one screen, you will get everything. It's just, you are expanding and you are just doing the minimization of the screen. So this is how we have designed this particular trading view to make your trading very, very effortless. You can do the DOM trading very, very easily. Sachin, can you just open? So this is a DOM window where you can just punch buy, sell, and the order will be placed. You can modify order from the chart also. So suppose you have placed the order, you can trade from chart, you can modify the order from the chart, you can cancel order from the chart. So this is how, Sachin, just switch to single view, it will help. Yeah. So, and if you are the trader, if you are the user, you still want to open this chart in a multiple tab, you will able to still do that. So we keep that your existing experience in mind. So that will also able to do that, but it will save a lot of time because watch list, chart, reports, everything is available at one screen, at one window. So this is about the trading view. Can we switch to presentation? Okay, so at last trading Carnival, what happened? We've gone live with the binge application option chain, but people wanted to trade on with the website, and they wanted live updation of the option chain with the live feed, maybe live feed, live OI, live IV, live Greeks, and everything they wanted on web portal. So we have delivered this. We already we are live with this particular functionality. You can buy sell from the option chain itself. You don't have to go anywhere. We are also giving this long build up, short build up. We have you can convert this option chain into the graphical mode also. I mean, OI bar graph will be appear. And going forward, we will have a multi-strike OI chart. So if you want to compare OI chart, OI between two strikes, you will able to do that. So that's our upcoming feature for the option chain. And can we switch to see the live option chain on website, how it look like? Yes. So this is our option chain. Sachin, just collapse the market watch for time. Thanks. So this is our option chain, which is live. It's a live updation, live feed updation. You can easily do buying, selling from this particular option chain. In one click, you can convert this option chain into the Greeks data. Sachin, so this is a live Greeks, what we are displaying, and then we have the graphical view of the option chain as well. So this is a live, the OI graph of all the call and put strikes. So, and anytime you want to switch between, I mean, it's up to you how you want to view this particular screen, with the watch list, with the chart, or with the option chain. And accessing this option chain from the watch list is very, very easy. So what happened, just go through any script and just click on the option chain. Your option chain will be open in one click. Yeah. So this is about the option chain. Can we switch to presentation, please? Yeah. Position report. This was the one feature where in Trading Carnival we received a lot of positive feedback. So how our position report is different from the other, I can say. So what we are doing in position report, we are also showing you settle M2M. I mean that the previous day, if you are the carry forward position, we are showing the settle M2M, plus we are showing separately the today's M2M, and we have separated the today's book profit separately. So your net position report will give you the clear picture about your carry forward position, today's M2M, and your BPL separately. So this is the one feature where we get a lot of positive feedback. Then while you want to, when you're trading in a multiple strikes, what happens, you don't want to exit all the position at the time, right? You want to exit few of the strikes. So we have given the multiple selection from the net position, where suppose you want to just square off 2 or 3 strikes out of say 10 strikes, right? So you can very easily do square off from the net position. I mean multiple square off I'm talking about. Then square off the bracket order. So one of the problem area for the trader is when you put the bracket order, right, the parent order, the child stop loss order, and the child book profit order, what happen is, if you want to square off from the net position, you can't do it. You have to go to the order book and you have to find the corresponding child order, and then you can square off. But in Espresso net position report, we are given the facility where you can square off bracket order very, very easily from the net position. So you put the stop loss and target, and you want to square off from the net position, you will able to do it very, very easily. Right? And for end of the day, after trading, you might want to, as an investor, you want to see the portfolio. So it's a very, very simple design, but very effective design, I will tell you, because this portfolio will tell you your sector allocation. It will show you portfolio capital wise, how much position you have in a small cap, large cap, mid cap, and you can short these all data point by investment value with the P&L value, with the current market value. And for derivative trader, we have come up with the expiry report, which will tell you every expiry how much P&L you are making, right? So this is the expiry view. Yeah. And dedicated pay when you profit report. So as you know, when you trade with the Espresso, what happen is when you make any loss on a intraday trading on square off leg, we are not charging any brokerage, right? So to bring more, to give you for this, we have created dedicated report, we call it the pay when you profit report, where it will clearly, the report will clearly show you on which transaction we have charged you the brokerage on, and on which transaction we have not charged any no brokerage. So it will give you the clear-cut view about your pay when you profit report. So this is end of the day reports, and all the standard tax and P&L report is available with the Espresso website. So if I want to summarize this particular, why Espresso, what trader is going to get benefit out of this, right? So you are going to enjoy a lot of stuff with the Espresso. I will tell you how. Because we are not charging any brokerage on the loss-making trade. There is a zero delivery brokerage. There is no brokerage on a delivery trade. Free auto square off for the MIS. If you are trading in intraday product called MIS, and if system do square off, we are not charging anything for this particular functionality. Then we have tie up with the Razorpay, where you can have you can transfer money in your account with the 35 banks. But if you do transfer with 6 big bank, then there is no charge for fund transfer. And one of the, again, the unique and the important feature for the trader is they want same day withdrawal. So suppose you want to withdraw, if you put the withdrawal request before 1 p.m., you will get the same day withdrawal in your account. So that's again one of the feature what we are bringing. Then you can trade out the money option, and this is one of the feature or the feedback we received in the last trading carnival, where people wanted to trade in deep out the money option, and we are allowing this trading in out the money option as well. Then split order, I already told you if you are a large quantity player, then split order is going to help you out because we are in one order, you can put the large quantity and system is going to split, do the slicing for you. Right? You can trade with the 350 scripts on MIS trading. Bracket order for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Again, this was a feature which is appreciated by a lot of our YouTuber trader because they wanted to put stop loss and a book profit together for the intraday trading for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So that we are providing bracket order. Then we have the my screen concept. Now this is very interesting. So in India, everybody is different, right? Everybody want to trade in a different way. So what we created is a my screen concept. Can you switch to? Click, Sachin. Just a second. So this is a one space we have given to the user where customer can add multiple widget. You want to see chart, you want to see next to chart, you want to see the order report or the net position report or maybe option chain. What you have to do, just go to add widget and select the widget you want to see. And just select two view. We have the vertical view and the horizontal view. So if you are comfortable with the tab view, just click on the tab view and say okay. So what will happen? Chart, position, everything will be created in one screen. I mean, you don't have to go to different menu. You are now arrange your own screen, and now you can easily access you can toggle between the multiple screen very easily as per your need. So that is the concept of my screen. This will give you the flexibility, and we hope your trading will become effortless. So that's the whole idea of the Espresso. Can we switch to presentation? Right. So AM order, I already talked about that, and pre-IPO order. So then, since there was a lot of IPO boom, lot of customer wanted, okay, before IPO start, we want to punch the order. So as soon as we get the data from the exchange, before subscription period, we take your order basically after us for the IPO in simple terms. So yeah, that's about, this is a key feature. We have a lot of feature. We are taking constantly feedback from a lot of trader. So end of the day, what I'm trying to say is, guys, trader, whatever we have developed because of you, thank you so much, because we are constantly in touch with a lot of speakers, we are interacting with a lot of traders, and we want to take this approach. It is little bit difficult approach, but we still want to do this because we believe we can grow this way only, because we want to develop the feature which which make your trading life very easy. That's the whole idea. So if you have any question, I really want to take it. I mean.
Chandresh, a lot of new features than I saw last time, so I think so you definitely are hearing from the traders. Yes. One quick question would be, what is the time for MIS square of?
310.
310. Okay, perfect. Okay, because for a lot of expiry traders, that 320 is the sweet spot where a lot of our position gets squared off. Yeah. Okay. Awesome. Thank you.
You have multiple platforms like a web platform, then you have application platform. So would I be able to log in all the platforms simultaneously? Assume that I've logged on the mobile at the same time.
Yes, you can. You will able to do that. But to log into website will be not possible. But yeah, different app you can. No problem.
So at the same time, I want to log into the web at the same maybe on the mobile.
Yes.
Is that possible?
Yes.
Being a chartist, I have one question. On your TradingView charting platform that you have done all the modifications, they are very good. But there's just one request. If you can add, there's a star in TradingView where you can basically put all the tools under one section, and the star, all those tools appear at the bottom of the screen.
Okay.
So if you can add that feature as well.
We'll definitely
if you can work on that, please.
Great idea. We'll definitely try to do that. It is already there. He's a product specialist from my team. So can you show? Can we switch?
So Piyush, it is already available.
Can we switch and show?
Yeah, if you go down, no, the star can be clicked, but those things have to appear at the bottom of the
Yes,
screen.
yes. So I'm just,
Just show
giving
me.
you an example.
Okay.
I want to create, I want to make it favorite, right?
Yeah, the favorite tools. Yeah, this is there. Okay, cool.
Any other? Yeah.
Just inform that there are out of the money, deep out of the money can be traded. Same way, can we go for long-term options and that can be
Long for Nifty?
Yeah.
Yes, but I need to check the expiry. I mean, how much we are allowing. But there are few traders who are trading in long. But I will get back to you on because based on volatility, my risk department keep on changing the duration. So that we need to keep in mind. So today I'm saying yes, but tomorrow if market is volatile, my risk department can restrict that also. So that's one I need to check and I will get back to you.
Thank you.
Any other question? I mean.
Actually, I already spoke with Sachin about that. In the charts, I would love to have harmonics drawing tools which are available in TradingView. That is one thing. Second, the price range tool and the rectangle which we draw. I want them to extend to the right up to the infinity. That feature is not, because see, price comes after 1 year to my demand zone on weekly. I should be able to see that I have drawn a zone there.
Right.
So, and third thing is snap to the price. It's available for Fibonacci, but not for that price range or this tool.
Okay. So you're talking about the bench or you want it in a web platform? I mean,
Basically, binge, even in this also, it will do.
okay.
Thank
We'll take. Thank you.
One more question.
Yeah.
So assume that I'm trading options
Mm-hmm.
and I want to place a iron counter trade, okay, where we have 4 positions are there or maybe the iron fly. Okay, so is there some way I can do a tagging that these 4 orders are for my strategy 1? So that later on I can go, I can say group, the strategy 1 orders are there, I can just right click and square it off.
Okay, so on last trading Carnival also we had the same requirement. It is one in pipeline, but I'm telling you upfront, it's going to take little bit of time because it will require, because for intraday I can do it very easily for day 1. But when I have to carry forward this position and I have to show it till expiry or till the time you are square offing, right? So for that it requires a lot of development and at the same time risk. Rizwan, can you comment on this?
So what I would say is that unfortunately during the intraday it's possible, quite possible, because we can interact. But after the UD, when the position gets, everything gets correlated, then you have to do a bifurcation based on your folio. Folio 1, folio 2, showing the folio-wise BPL and M2M is something which is a challenge. So we are looking into it, and this was the feedback which we got last time also, and we are still working. We are still trying to crack that. Yeah.
In terms of a back office, so do you show something like tax calculation, everything out of the box? Do you have that feature?
What do you mean by out of the box?
For the back office, okay. So I need to go. I need to find out what is the total PL, what is the transaction. I mean taxes for this financial year, for the next year. That should come out of the box. Rather than I should go and download.
On screen you want?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can show it. Just go to the EOD reports and just go to the report section and say your P&L.
Yeah, that's
So it will do it as a summary. Then you can download very easily.
okay. That's great. Yeah.
That's a summary view.
And in case of say net positions are there. So from the net position, if I want to roll up or roll down 2 positions, so do you have something feature something like that? Select these 2 positions. These are the short call and short put. Square it off and add it 2 more positions to that in a single order.
No, we don't have this functionality right now, but it's a valid suggestion. We'll definitely look into this.
Okay.
So you want to adjust your strikes basically?
Yeah, basically roll up spreads or just roll up short call to some other new position that way.
Okay. Point taken. We'll definitely look at this. So, any other questions? So, thank you so
you.
So guys, we are not perfect, and let me be very frank and open to you that we are here to learn, and we are here to understand your requirements, and based on your requirements, we want to build ourselves. And I do remember that I spoke to so many traders, and they wanted they use particular patterns. If their right hand clicks like this, they want that way only. So that is something that you have to customize. And in this space, we want to tell you that we are here to customize ourselves according to your need. So that's the commitment that we would like to give it to all. Thank you.
I think one more question. So.
This question is not for Espresso, especially for the Sher Khan. Okay. So what is the roadmap for the Trade Tiger versus Espresso? Are you guys gonna move Sher Khan old customers to this, or why should I continue the Trade Tiger and not switch it over here?
Okay, sorry. I'll try and answer this. See, okay, let me use a different. All of us must have noticed there is Ariel, there is Tide, there is Surf Excel, correct? They all are detergents. They all wash clothes. But there are different people with different needs. So when we were thinking about Espresso discount broking, see, we are very clear. Like I said, there is 95% of India which is still not come. And in that 95%, we all have enough friends, family. Not everybody is able to, learn with you and get started. There are lots of people who need handholding. So first, to answer the question, Sher Khan and Espresso both will coexist for years and years and years to come. There is no transition that is going to happen, because for us, it is like Ariel and there is Tide. Both is going to exist because different people are going to have different needs. And that is truth one. So now coming to platforms that you asked, for us, Sher Khan and its platforms will exist, Espresso and its platforms will exist. The synergy, if at all, that will come is, okay, we've got an interesting feature which people are liking, then we can have it in both. But otherwise, they're going to exist as independent entities and they're going to have their own proper growth path. So it is not like one is going to fold into the other at any point in time. Both companies are going to exist, platforms of each company are going to exist, because it's very clear and evident there is a market for both types. So Sher Khan is what we call as the full service broking model. Full service means today you need a research guidance, you can get it. You need support, be it a RM, somebody to do your all your trading or your investing, you get it. So the models are extremely different because they serve people with different needs. See, because in discount broking today, all of you all who are using it, you will have the thing of, oh, I want to speak to someone that is not there as, relative to customer service, because that's all that you have over there. Here you can speak to your RM, you can understand a lot of things in detail. So that's how we see both those models coexisting in harmony.
I have a question for you. See, to my mind, as a trader, I have seen people who have been with RMs, who have had people do the trading for them, etc., moving from that part to DIY kind of traders, wherein I'm saying your clients from Sher Khan are likely to move to Espresso. But have you ever had more instances or any instances of the reverse?
So I'll not take names because all competition is good, honestly, it's healthy. So in Sher Khan, we have a program which we call as the front foot program, okay, where we reach out to some people who have stopped using our platform. Because what happens is people open a new account, current account remains. I can tell you easily in that in the last 2 years, we've added more than 1 lakh of people who have come back. Now, why is this happening? What has also happened, DJ, is a lot of people go to discount broking, then they realize that I still need the support. I'm not like 100% equipped to do it on my own. And then they prefer that, okay, I would rather stick to the full service model, and they come back. So yes, the reverse thing also happens in terms of people going to discount and then wanting to.
Sorry to continue this argument, but see, I've been trading Nifty and Bank Nifty for the last 12 years. Rekha has started recently, and both of us are DIY traders, do-it-yourself kind of traders, like thousands of other traders as well. We are the same in terms of thinking, in terms of a need. Now, we've never ever felt the need. See, when do you start looking for something else? When you have an inherent need for something, like an RM or something like that, right? So, both of us, I'm just taking a very small sampling size of 2, because this is at home. So, she also trades actively. She trades on the platform and it's pretty good, and it gives her everything she needs as a Bank Nifty options trader. Okay, she's making decent money, but still she is not a speaker at Traders Carnival because she doesn't fulfill the criteria for that time missing. But I'm sorry? No. English come. Oh, we have had people who have come and spoken on stage purely in Hindi. Subhashish Mani was one prime example. He spoke mostly in Hindi, but Kannada is not accepted. Yeah, sorry. So coming back, the need has not been felt. That's my point.
See, DJ, this thing which you talk about need. One, you'll have to accept. Today, if I say 95% of India is still to come to the equity market, out of that 95%, according to me, 15 to 20% of the 95 will go into trading. The rest are going to be proper long-term investors. Correct? Look at market structure. No, you might not know. I'll tell you why I'm supposing this. I'm supposing this because people are, because of COVID and 2 years. Yeah, I'll get you that mic. See, because of 2 years of COVID, we've seen an exponential growth in demat accounts.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, you've seen exponential growth in demat accounts. Now, all of these demat accounts, these are not people coming into trade. These are people who have realized, one, either people have seen, oh, in March when COVID began, market fell 40%, then it bounced back in a short span. So first time people woke up and realized, oh, there is money to be made. Okay? Now these are normal folk. So for them, money to be made is not about...
Hey, one sec. Excuse me. Just one sec. I'm not able to hear.
Yeah. So I'm saying when the market fell and it bounced back quickly, people realized there is money to be made. And people, I mean normal retail people of India. Now in that realization that there is money to be made, they were very clear that, okay, if I would have bought this stock, in 3 or 6 months it would have gone there. So first they realized what I call as a classic investment gets returns mentality. So in that also what I'm trying to tell you is if you look at that behavior, and we have obviously, we have data, right, when we open accounts. So today I can tell you, for most stockbrokers this will be true. Out of every 100 accounts opened, 60 to 70 are people what we call as new to market, as in they are entering for the first time. In the new to market, it will be a easy, as of now, 50-50 split. As of now. So new to market, there's a 50-50 split of people looking to invest versus people looking to trade. Because we can see that in our long-term data of 22 years. So the point I'm going back to is, when you are thinking trading, that is going to be, that population will grow. But from an India perspective, the larger population is going to be investors. They're not going to be traders. Okay. That's point one. Point number two, when it comes to trading, and like you said, DIY. See, the truth is, now let's look at the Indian population from a very different lens. The lens of how many people are service class and how many are self-employed.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that again? Hey, one sec, can you have some quiet please? I'm not able to follow the question, sorry.
Yeah, service class versus self-employed. The point I'm making to you is, most of the people have some or the other job, right? People with some income coming in, and then there are people who have their own small businesses. There are very small percentage of people who are dedicating themselves fully to trading being a source of income. Again, over there, then the need comes. I can't sit and watch the market all the time. I know what I want to do. I would like if someone is looking out for me. So there is another set or a need of people who will need that support. There is a RM who's looking at your thing. You've told him, if this happens, call me, or if that happens, square it off. So if I look at it from a long-term perspective, both business models will continue to exist. That I'm 100% confident on.
Okay, got it, thanks. And one last question, sorry.
Yes.
is API-based trading part of your milestone or horizon anywhere for Espresso? API or automated trading?
Yeah, so basically the API provision has been made right now in both the entities, in fact. In fact, in Sherkhan domain, we do have it.
Okay.
And in Espresso, we are working on it. And the model that we are thinking is that over the internet, anyone can plug in, they can open an account, they can plug in and they can start
Any
using
ETA on that?
it. Basically, the development is through. Everything is through. We are actually stuck because of the compliance and regulatory. So we hope that in another 2 months' time we should be up and running.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks to the Espresso team for answering the questions patiently. And if people have any other questions, the team will be here, and all of the questions can be taken offline over coffee, tea, or dinner, whatever. And and one thing is, these people have come out with a lot of offers, so please walk into their stall or to the Espresso Traders Carnival welcome desk and collect your goodies. Goodies, yeah, that's the right magic word. I said it, I think. Thanks, Danny. So next up, we're going to have a session on algo systems, and that will be by my good friend Vishal Mehta, who I feel is probably one of the best connected guy in the markets in India today. I'll reiterate that, which is probably to my mind is beyond all reasonable doubt. Over to Vishal. Who? Okay, I've got three room access cards. I think the first one belongs to Rakesh. Rakesh's last name is Solanki, right? Okay, password. What's your room number? I'm sorry? Yeah, that's it. I've got this here. Mr. Sheikh, I assume this is Wasim. Yeah, okay. And Mr. Nanda, Gaurav? Is Gaurav here? Your room number? Yeah, okay, I've got it. Please collect it from me. And very, very quickly, before Vishal comes onto the stage, Danny was talking about three products, Surf Excel, Tide, and Ariel. So in that context, I want to ask a question. In case, you leave money inside your trouser pocket and it gets washed, what is that concept called? It's not a trick question. Anybody? Okay, let me repeat the question. You put some money you forget some money in your trouser pocket and it gets washed. What is that money called? I'm sorry? Laundered? No. Okay, this is actually a joke. Okay, it actually, the word I'm looking for is deterrency. He mentioned the word detergent. So it's deterrency, detergent plus currency. Thank you. Over to Vishal.
Thank you, DJ. I will need a clicker as well. Yep. Yeah,
अभिषेक क्लिकर कार्ड में
thanks,
साइज
Danny.
इंजीनियर वीडियो इज देयर
Video is not there. It's part of the PPT only.
ओके
But yeah, you need audio cable. Yes, you said it right. I hope nothing falls out. Is this for? This will be audio, yes. Yeah. Yeah. बहुत स्लो है हाँ मैं ठीक है
ये फॉरवर्ड रहेगा ये बैक रहेगा
अच्छा ये फॉरवर्ड हाँ फॉरवर्ड ही है ना
ये नहीं
हाँ
ये फॉरवर्ड
अच्छा हाँ ठीक है समझ गया
वो चेक कर लीजिए आप एक बार
दैट्स व्हाट आई वांट
वो ट्राई कर लीजिए
वाइस प्रेजेंटेशन मोड हाँ बट माय माउस हाँ यार व्हाट हैपेंड टू माय माउस ओके कैन डू दिस F4 that audio is creating a problem or what resume slide